So now that we have our notebooks done, we're going to go ahead and add a gift set, make it a gift set, adding a pen and chapstick. So let's go ahead and do that. Here I have my pens and my chapstick that I'm going to be using, and they're going to be going with these 4 notebooks. I'm going to be using these 4 pens, and I'm going to be using these pen wraps, and I'm going to be using these wraps for the chapsticks. Let's go ahead and start with our pen. I disassembled it, uh, the hardware, I took it apart, and now we're going to go ahead and peel our backing and add our wrap to our pen. The notch right here, that's my guide. So I align it more or less, and then I go ahead and smooth it. So I'm smoothing the vinyl sticker label or wrap around this pen, smoothing it out to prevent any bubbles. Once I have that, I do have some extra right here that I'm going to be trimming with my utility knife right here. And then once I have that, I'm going to go ahead and add everything back inside the pen. Once I have that, I do cut this little notch right here just so the clip could go back inside. And there it is. So now we're going to go ahead and do our other pens, doing the same thing, aligning it, eyeballing it more or less, just so we don't get it crooked. And then we're going to go ahead and do the same thing, smooth it out. I go in the middle and outwards, in the middle and outwards. And this prevents it from bubbling. But if you do get some bubbling, just go ahead and get a needle and pop it and smooth it out, and it should work. We go ahead and do our notch right here and assemble everything back together. So this is what I do with all 4 of my pens. I did get these pens at Five Below. It's a pack that comes. It's very inexpensive, and they've worked out so far. So we're going to go ahead and do this one as well. And we smooth it out. And we should be good right here. And yeah, so this is how I do my pan wraps. And I will also with the same with the chapstick is just a wrap that will go around the pan. We're going to go ahead and do our final one right here, align it. And I think these came out really cute. The gift set, the pants, matching pants with the notebook right here. And then just smooth it out and assemble everything back together right here. And we are done with our pans. So the same thing goes with our chapsticks. We're just going to go ahead and center it and wrap it around. And there it is. So this is how I made my gift set. So if you guys liked this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to leave any comments or questions, go ahead and also follow, subscribe if you want to see more videos like these. We'll see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, I do have the videos on how I made the notebooks before this one. So go ahead and check them out, and we'll catch you guys on our next video. Thank you guys for watching.